I thought I would talk about this today. This is my analog bass synthesizer. Let me connect it up and show you how it works. So I start with connecting power. The audio out of this, I'm gonna connect that to my jar of jam. Since this is an analog synthesizer, it cannot be controlled using a MIDI keyboard. You need CV and gate. The gate output of my keyboard into the gate in. The CV out goes into CV input. Let's go through the controls for this synthesizer. First, of course, is the volume control. This switch allows you to choose between gate and trigger. Right now it's in gate mode, so it's going to wait for me to release the button before the sound goes off. If I put it in trigger mode, then the sound triggers once for every key press. If I want to increase the length of the note, I can use this knob. Right now it's a fast release or a fast decay. If I roll it back, I make it a slow release, and I can make it really slow. I'm calling this infinite sustain because this is the minimum volume that you will hear even when you're not playing the keyboard. These two knobs are for controlling the filter. This one controls the cutoff frequency, so that's what it sounds like. This one controls the resonance. Right now the resonance is at minimum. If I increase the resonance, the note sounds a bit accentuated. And if I go crazy with the resonance, this knob controls the envelope modulation for the filter. So since it's set to 0, the filter cutoff doesn't change throughout the note. But if I increase the modulation, finally, this switch controls the wave shape as well as the octave. Right now it's set to a sawtooth waveform. If I switch it, you'll hear a square wave that's 1 octave lower. The circuits used in the synthesizer and all the controls are actually heavily inspired by some really popular commercial synthesizers like the TB303, the Korg MS-10, and even the Korg Monotron. Now, this of course is not my first attempt at making an analog synth. I've tried it at least 3-4 times earlier, but every time it sounded like a toy. This is the first time when I have a usable synthesizer that actually sounds like a bass synth.